Coming to the objects of the GST, the first object is in a common national market. You know that previously each state has its own act and the taxes are levied accordingly. Now, after implementation of the GST, now the single GST applies to all over the India, which removes the barrier among the states. And the second major object of the GST was avoid a cascading effect of the taxes. I will explain about what is meant by the cascading effect. The effect of levy tax on the tax is called a cascading effect. It is a double taxation. So it is like a tax will be levied on the same product. Again, the tax will be levied on the tax of that product. On implementation of the GST, it avoids the cascading effect of the and next features of the GST. The first feature of the GST is consumption-based tax based on the VAT principle. Consumption-based tax means tax will be payable in the state in which the goods or services or both are finally consumed. Take an example. Exports are not taxable because the place of consumption was outside India. Similarly, imports are the taxable because the place of consumption is in India. And the VAT principle, we all know that in the VAT, it has a system of allowing the input tax credit of the tax paid on the input services, capital goods, output supply. It's the same concept that holds good for the GST. So that is a VAT principle. So even like similar to the VAT, we can also take in the GST also. In the GST tax also, it allows to take an input tax credit on the purchases made. And the second feature is a concurrent dual GST. India has adopted the concurrent dual GST model. In this model, the dual levy imposed concurrently by both the state and the central, but independently. It means that both the central and state government will operate under the same base, but levy on independently. These are the two major features of the GST.